What's up, TRC fans? Don't miss our upcoming event, TRC Street Kings at Palm Beach International Raceway. What's up, guys? Javier from That Racing Channel. We're back out at Palm Beach International Raceway here at another TRC Invitational. This time we have some really sick, unique imports, European cars, domestics. We got some really awesome stuff in store for you. This time out, we've actually started a top 10 list. So we're gonna take the top 10 of the fastest mile and hours with the roll racing and ETs for dig racing and start an ongoing top 10 list. So every time we come out with the different cars, we can basically start some competition to see who can just set the all-around record for the TRC Invitational.
Jordan. I drive a 2015 Mitsubishi Evo 10. Came out to Palm Beach International Raceway to TRC's private invitational. He started out in 2015 when I first bought it brand new. Pretty much did the minor bolt-ons, intake, exhaust, little 50-50 mix of E85, car made 335. Then 2 years later we went 500 horsepower with an FP Red, 1300 ID CC injectors, ETS intake, Busher intercooler 4.5 core. About 4 years later now we're at 900 horsepower with fully built motor, sleeve block from ERL, CP pistons, Carrillo rods, Kelford cams, ID 2000 injectors. It's got a Motec 150 on it, computer system. It's got a Garrett 3584 RS turbo running about 50 to 55 pounds. Car has complete stock drivetrain, running the STM drag brake kit for lightweight, so we can run 17-inch wheels with a 275/40 tire, drag radials, Needle NT05Rs. Car has an HKS catback with ETS hot parts turbo kit, external dump. The car is about 300 pounds lighter. It's got a Radium twin 450 wall barrel setup. So the car has a competition triple disc with a hydraulic release bearing because it's a push to pull conversion. It's got a stock transmission with a PPG fifth, a 418 final drive, stock shifter assembly, stock cables. It's got stock axles, stock rear end, stock T-case, and we just did a personal best of 150 mile an hour in a road race. So my dad was the one that actually got me in the cars. First car was a 1987 BMW E30 that I pretty much semi-restored. Then turbocharged the motor. It ran 35 pounds. We never dynoed it. It was never tuned. We just kind of did the old school, add fuel, make sure spark is there, and let it eat. 10 years after that, I got a Scion FRS, all motor, bolt-ons, E85, car made 220. Started coming out to PBIR for some of the road events. Fortunately, totaled the car in an accident. And after that, I got into the Honda game for about a year. I had an EK with a B series GSR motor, made 200 horsepower, fully gutted. I never got to race it. It was just kind of a project that I had to get rid of. And then we got into the Evo. And it's been an amazing journey with the Evo. Machine Gone Wild plays a big part in the Evo. Whatever I can't do, they assist me with. They help me build a motor. They help me with ideas to make the car better. Tuned by Lance actually is the one that tuned the Motec for the car. Car made about 898 with 650 foot-pounds of torque. And revs to about 10,000. We shifted at 9,700.
Got Gordon's Evo versus John's Camaro. Should be a good run. against Lee in that badass RB30 S14. It's gonna be a duel. All right, we got Lee Monster Performance. Gotta love the sound of that RB30. It's just dreams. Battle of the imports. Nissan versus Mitsubishi. This is gonna be sick. This thing is awesome. Killing it on the rolls. Bottom 10-second street car. Can't beat that.